Hey everybody, this is Jimmy with EasyHOA. Just wanted to make a quick video and show you how to create a new form. The form builder inside the EasyHOA software is actually one of my favorite parts of the software because it gives you so many different options and so many different ways to create the form. Um, the very first thing you would do when creating a brand new form would be to title the form. Once you've done that, you can add a little description and then you can get down into adding your questions. So this menu on the left has different options. So if you wanted to ask people inside of the HOA certain questions in different formats, you can customize the form to fit that format. So for example, if you wanted to ask them a question that allowed them to check certain boxes, you can select this feature. If you wanted them to rate how likely they are to want a new playground inside of the common area, you can have them choose an option based on the rating scale. You can have them select radio buttons. So you can kind of play around with this. It's kind of fun. You can kind of add different questions and then actually add different things they can select from inside of that question. So you kind of go through, just keep building this. You can add different, like I said, drop down menus. You can actually have a yes or no button, multi-screen selects, image pickers. You can have them rank certain things. You can even have like a single line input box. So if you just wanted to ask them a question, then have it be something that they fill out, just their thoughts, they can fill out their thoughts or questions inside of this text box. You can go through for each one of these, you can require them so that they can't proceed to fill out the form unless each one of these is required. If you click on this required here. If you mess up, you can always delete it. It's super nice. You can just say, sorry, whoops, need to delete that question off of there. When you're done creating this form for an owner to fill out, or maybe let's say you get a call that comes in and you need to save your progress, you just come up here and click on the save button and then it'll save the form. There's also some settings over here to the right that you can kind of customize and go through and kind of lay everything out the way that you want the form to be laid out. So we're excited about this. We've had this inside of our software for quite some time. If you have any questions about how this works, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help anytime. Thanks.